Hi everyone. It is very easy to add or upload a file in SharePoint. Today I just want to tell you how to do that. For this, firstly you have to click on this upload button and it will open a window where there is two options, files and folder. I have to choose here which I want to add in the document library. I'm choosing the file one because I want to add a file. So when I'm clicking on it, then it will open a browser window, and from where I can add which I want to add in the document library. I can choose a file from here. I'm choosing that one, so simply I have to click on it and there is a button which is named open. So I have to click on this and you can see that is uploading a file. So here is your file. It's very easy to do that. So suppose I want to upload a file which is already present previously in the document library or with the same name, then when I'm uploading this, then the new one successfully replace the previous one. So like upload button, I am choosing the file one, I am choosing the same file. You can see when I'm choosing this, there is an option that is replace. If I want to replace the previous file, then I have to click on this and it will, you can see that there is uploading and the new file is successfully replaced the previous one. Well, there is another way to upload a file in SharePoint which is also very easy. That is drag and drop method. Like if I want to add any file, like I want to add this one, so I just have to simply drag and drop this in the SharePoint. Like I have to click on it and simply drag it, simply drag it and drop here. So you can see that is successfully uploading and here is a file. It's just copy the file, it's not moving because it's already it's also present in the desktop as well as the SharePoint. See, here is your file. So I think it's clear and hope this video will help you guys. Thank you so much.